welcome to my channel. I just wanted to talk to you today about makeup when you are getting older. So I am 49 years old now, and I have done my makeup all my life because I've been on stage a long time. I've been kind of in the public eye a lot, and I've realised that my makeup has had to significantly change as I've got older. And there's some things that I just cannot do anymore. And the number one thing I cannot do anymore is to put a crease here in the eye. If I put a crease there, it will instantly age me. Another thing that I cannot do is the masses of concealer. You know how they're putting the big massive triangle here and all the concealer, you just cannot do it. As you get older, it will just sit in your older skin more. So I put my concealer just in the very dark circle part, and I very gently just tap it in, and it doesn't come right out to here. In fact, I avoid putting makeup on this part of my face at all because I have the crow's feet in there and the makeup will sit in there, so I'd much rather that be more moisturized. So I do put the concealer here, still put it down my nose, and I still put it here, but it's minute, and then I just kind of like dab it in to that area. So concealer just in here, down here and here. With contouring, when you're older, your skin is naturally getting kind of thinner, so if you do great big contour lines on your skin, it's just gonna look horrendous. So I do have some contouring, but it's just very slight, and I just have it in quite a patch here and here. I put blusher on my cheeks, on the apples of my cheeks, but I don't sweep it straight up to here because it will make me look ridiculous. I don't overline my lips. My lips, I don't have lip fillers either. I am lucky that my lips have always been a little bit big. They are getting thinner now as I'm getting older. So I just line the exact shape of my lips because my skin is getting older on the outside. When I overline, it just makes me look old. So the next thing is with eyeshadow, I'm finding there's certain things that I just can't do. So I can't use really dark eyeshadows. They just look awful. So I either use like a bronzer type eyeshadow or like a light plum, which just works really nice. And I just kind of like brush it onto the whole of the eye very lightly and slightly above, and then I'll just put a lighter shade in the center here just to keep my eyelids visible. And eyeliner, I don't put a line into the above my lash line. I put the eyeliner in the lash. So I'll close my eyes and I will almost like jiggle around the eyelashes with the pencil. So it ends up kind of like in the hairline. And I don't use eyeliner very much because again, that's quite harsh when you're getting older. Okay, so the next thing is mascara. I only put mascara really on the top. I don't really put it on the bottom because I just find it just ages me. I don't like it on the bottom. And sometimes I get a shadow, like a really nice warm shadow, and I just powder that in through the bottom lash line, which looks really nice. So as you can see, my makeup is quite sparse. I sometimes when I go out like to make my lips a little bit brighter, but I don't tend to like pile on loads of makeup because less is more when you get older. I might use a tiny little bit of highlighter just here on my cheeks, sometimes up here, and sometimes just on the ridge of my nose. But I can do a tutorial if you would like that. I use vegan makeup, so I can show you which products I use. And we'll see how that goes. If you like my makeup, I have a skincare routine as well, which I would like to show you. The things that I do before I go to bed, things that I do in the morning, and how I keep my skin looking nice and fresh. So I will make another video about that soon, so take care, bye bye.